2, 1. That was so powerful!
He is determined to get wet.
We're doing this to get to Leo.
Buttholes.
3,
Here we go.
2, 1. Oh god, that is cold, but not too powerful.
Supposed to put it on your head.
Okay, we're doing it on max this time. Ready? Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
Try to put it on the head.
I've already done that on my one. I've already done that on my one. Okay, somebody go try it. Oh man. No, that will break it. What are you doing that for, huh?
Drop the food all over it.
You'll catch the water. Oh, God.